Don't let your AC system get knocked out by the heat this upcoming summer. Call KS Services and let our team come take a look. We repair and install all makes and models. We even offer a free no-hassle quote and second opinion, so give us a call today. With our flexible financing, you can literally pick your payment. We may even be able to help you knock down that utility bill a bit.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.
The Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition. This is for Monday, May 14th. I'm James Spann. Eyes are on the Gulf of Mexico. A disturbance will bring some clouds and better rain chances to Alabama beginning tomorrow. Let's take a look and talk about things. There's the upper air look this afternoon. Got a big trough in the western states, upper high covering the southeast United States, and the disturbance down in the eastern Gulf showing up nicely. Check the radar. That was at 2:38. Scattered storms over southeast Alabama and the Florida Panhandle. Heavy storms north of Pensacola. Got some in Pike County, Bullock County, down into parts of Escambia County, Alabama. Those are drifting slowly to the southwest, but the rest of the state is dry. There's the visible satellite view. Got a field of cumulus clouds for the northern half of the state, but again, no rain. And this is, for most, the hottest day so far this year. Tuscaloosa, 94. Birmingham at 92. Birmingham, by the way, ties the record with that. And, of course, we might hit 93 later. If that's the case, we'll break the record. Record last set at 92 on this date back in 1998. But after today, numbers come down. In fact, we should be in the 80s for the next 10 to 15 days after today. Around the nation, we are clearly the hot spot down here in the Mid-South, the Deep South with 90s. Nice and cool back in the Northwest, the Northern Rockies, and also New England. There's the watch warning map. Pretty quiet, although we've got severe thunderstorm watches now for parts of Kansas and Missouri, and from West Virginia over to Washington, D.C. and Baltimore, where they could see storms there with damaging straight-line winds. This is the severe weather outlook for the rest of today and tonight. The old ring of fire. A risk of severe storms on top of the heat ridge from Texas to Kansas City, St. Louis, Chicago, Washington, D.C., Baltimore. There's an enhanced risk around Washington, D.C. We note that marginal risk on the Atlantic coast of Florida because of the Gulf disturbance. Tomorrow, an enhanced risk of severe storms north of New York City. The standard slight risk down to Philadelphia and Baltimore. And we're in the green, but that means no severe weather expected. And on day 3, we stay solidly in the green. That means we could hear some thunder, but severe weather not expected. All right, let's check the tropics. This is the latest update from the National Hurricane Center and that disturbance in the southeastern Gulf. Still a 40% chance of this developing over the course of the next 5 days. And one way or the other, the main effect, it's going to be enhanced rain chances across parts of the southeastern states. We'll roll the visible satellite view. And again, you can see this thing is disorganized, and with marginal water temperatures and harsh winds aloft, odds of this becoming a tropical or a subtropical storm are not that high. But again, whatever here, the main effect is going to be enhanced rain for parts of the southeast United States. This is the rain across the country for the next 7 days. Pretty big numbers for the east, and a lot of that's going to be from that Gulf disturbance. In Alabama for the next 7 days, the heavier totals near the Georgia border. Rain amounts there between 2 and 3 inches. On the western side of the state, rain amounts closer to 1 inch. But we could use some. It's been a long time. Birmingham has gone over 2 weeks now without measurable rain, based on data at the airport. So, model fans, let's go. This is the GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 1 o'clock local time. You can see that weakness in the ridge over the northern Gulf. That's our disturbance. Down below that, there's a broad surface low, not very well defined. But tomorrow should be a partly sunny day. We'll have a chance of a few showers by afternoon. The rain will not be widespread tomorrow. Just the chance of a few scattered showers, the better chance in areas south and east of Birmingham. And the high should be back in the upper 80s. Wednesday, the low is south of Gulf Shores. And again, Wednesday looks like a cloudy day with occasional showers. We stress it's not going to rain all day. The sun might peek out at times, and the high should be in the low to mid 80s. We'll see 82 to 85. Right? Very seasonal for this time of the year. Thursday, that broad low drifts north, and again, the sky mostly cloudy with occasional showers. There could be some thunder, but we do not expect any severe storms. And Friday, same thing, a deep layer of tropical moisture, more clouds than sun. A few showers are likely during the day. It's not going to rain all day, and the high should be in the low 80s. And a lot of things are happening outdoors. Graduations, the Regions Tradition Golf Tournament. For all these events, there could clearly be a shower basically anywhere in the state, Tuesday through Friday. But the rain will not be continuous. There'll be some good breaks. And again, the sun peaks out at times. This is Saturday, and there's no change here. We got the Hangout Music Festival down at Gulf Shores going on this weekend, too. And basically for the whole state. Again, a lot of clouds, a good chance of showers. Clearly, it's going to rain at times. But it's not going to be just a complete washout. It rains and rains and rains and rains. And the same thing on Sunday. Mostly cloudy. Showers are likely. The high, low to mid-80s, 82 to 85. So after really tomorrow, things get kind of unsettled for a while. Here's Monday of next week. Got a trough in the southwest, flat ridge here, tropical moisture trapped. Showers probably becoming more scattered in nature by early next week. We'll go out 10 days. This is Thursday, the 24th. And again, the main wave action up in Canada, and that looks pretty quiet. Partly sunny with maybe a few widely scattered showers. Another tropical type feature shows up down there near the Yucatan Channel. It's almost hurricane season. June 1st is the opening date for the Atlantic Basin. Numbers coming off the European. You can see that 92 today. We've achieved that. But after today, if this model verifies, highs mostly in the 80s and lows mostly in the 60s. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
Summer's just around the corner, and KS Services wants to be the team ensuring your comfort. We repair and install all makes and models, so give us a call today to get a free, no-hassle second opinion.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.